Hi, this is Dee Dee from Making It McGee. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a small Walmart haul for you. And it's also Vlogust Day 11 for me. So let's get started, guys. And this all I bought from Walmart. It's the Andis Pro Dry Professional Styling Hair Dryer. It is styling tools trusted by professionals and families since 1922. High velocity, hyper DC motor generates 40% more airflow. Has 2 speeds, heat setting, lightweight, high velocity, hyper DC motor. That's what I just said. And here's a picture of it. Here's a picture of the little combs. And also, guys, it's a 5-year warranty on it. And the price of this was $27.99. I wanted to show you the back of it. And here you can see the combs a little bit closer. And I'm also going to show you what it looks like. There's a Walmart bag. Hopefully I can open it. Okay, guys. Checking it out, guys. These are the combs. Sorry about everything over the place. Just one comb. The one comb has the comb on it. One is like that. Then you have one like that one with the comb. And then you have the other one like this. And here's the actual blow dryer. Here's the actual blow dryer and this tourmaline or tourmaline ionic ceramic. Here's the dial. Has cool, warm, and hot. It has off, low, and high. And this is it. There's a goal right here. That's where the air vent is. And this is it, guys. Let me show you the whole thing. I'm going to move the box a little bit. Try to get the whole thing for you. Here's the instruction book. Okay. This is everything, guys. And it is Andis Pro Dry Professional Styling Hair Dryer. And here's everything. This also the booklet. Instruction booklet. And again, this Dee Dee from Making It McGee. It's just a small Walmart haul. I just bought the blow dryer, so that is all I bought. And the price again is $27.99. So if you guys are looking for a blow dryer, it's pretty good. And this Pro Dry hair styling hair dryer. And that's the end of this haul. It's Vlogust Day 11 for me. Again, if you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Please click on the red subscribe button. Also, click the bell for notification. Again, this is Dee Dee from Making It McGee. This is Vlogust Day 11. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Mañana. Bye.